This video guide is about removing the ransomware called Readnet. Readnet is a special ransomware that we discovered while researching new malware samples that were submitted to the VirusTotal database. We found out that Readnet ransomware is the part of the Medusa Locker family. The purpose of any ransomware is to encrypt files and then to demand payment to be made by the victims, supposedly for recovering the data. This ransomware is called Readnet because it appends the readnet7 extension to the file names. The number, however, may be slightly different. The video will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is. So now you can clearly see that we have no troubles opening files. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles at all. However, regretfully, because of certain existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Readnet ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And then pretty soon people realize that they just cannot use their data anymore. The data gets encrypted. So in my particular case, the extension that was added is Readnet. The ransomware drops the ransom note called How to Recover Data. This is the HTML file type. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the special ransom for file recovery to get the files restored. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting your data restored. My recommendation is that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, then begin researching your computer. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Then Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection of any malware. While this scanning is taking place, you need to pay attention to the special feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until this scanning is successfully accomplished. Then Combo Cleaner Antivirus will show you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scanning. The summary of these threats will show you the information about what kind of threat was found, where exactly the threat is located on this specific computer. So this information that is provided by Combo Cleaner is helpful and pretty valuable. Based on that information, of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of the program. Premium license will help you to get rid of all these threats automatically and to protect all your data from being damaged by any other ransomware in the future. So upgrade to premium and keep your files always safe and secure with Combo Cleaner Premium.